Ashwini. Welcome to CKA Cert Hands-On channel. The purpose of my channel is to get people who want to give CKA 2025 exam get started on their hands-on practicing journey once they finish a formal course of CKA and have a basic understanding of Kubernetes concepts. This creates the depth in your understanding of each concept and helps you crack CKA exam. With that introduction, let's get started with today's video. This is the third video in Troubleshooting series. I have a playlist for each concept of Kubernetes prompted in the video, and the link is also provided in the description. Let's get started with the question. Let's set the context, and it says Redis pod is not running. Fix that issue. So we'll get pods and check that if it's running, it's not running, the status is pending, and we'll describe the pod. One of the first things to do when we are troubleshooting pod is to describe the pod. We will have some logs as to helpful logs as to in the events you can find why it has not started. So persistent volume claim PVC RAID is not found. Okay, so let's try to find what are the PVCs available. Okay, so now it is good the RAID is PVC available, but okay, let's try to take a copy of the pod. Get pod, name of the pod minus o YAML, and you will write it to file. Okay, and now I'll just edit this file and update the persistent volume claim name. Let's go to volume. So you can see here the name of the volume is PVC Redis, and we'll change it to Redis PVC. Okay, and let's try to delete the pod and create a pod and see what happens. Created the pods. The pod is still not running, and we'll try to describe the pod first. Pod has unbound immediate persistent volume claims. Okay, so your persistent volume claim should be in a bound status. So let's try to describe the volume claim. Redis PVC. Yes, I mean describe. Okay, so this is helpful. It says provisioning failed, persistent volume controller, storage class, storage key, it's manually not found. Okay, and before we do anything, we'll just delete that pod. Okay, and we'll edit PVC, edit PVC. We'll update the persistent volume claim to the correct storage class. So there is no storage class named manual if it is not a dynamically provisioned volume claims. It's you can just set it to manual. It is not called manually, and let's try to do it. Now it did not allow me to edit it directly, so I will delete the persistent volume claim. It's deleted, and I'll try to create it using the manifest. So when you update when you edit any particular manifest, if it cannot if it doesn't allow you to edit it, then your changes will still be saved to a temporary file like here, and then you can use that to do it. Now if I do the same, describe persistent volume claim radius PVC, I should be able to see it, and this time it is bound. Now remember, we have deleted the pod before, and we already have the manifest r.yaml, which is the manifest for the pod. So we'll try to create it again and see what happens, whether it'll allow us or not. Create -f7 and then get pods. It's still in container creating, doesn't seem right. So we will try to describe the pod, radius pod. Okay, back off pulling image, radius latest ed. Okay, I think we have dealt this similar thing in one of the videos before, and so we'll just delete the pod first. So kubectl delete pod, radius pod. I know I'm typing here, but always copy and paste it where you can, or always paste it, not where you can, and that way you don't make any mistakes. Now we have the manifest here, and the image is radius latest ed, which is not correct. Any Docker image has the tag latest, so we'll just make it latest, and we will try to create the pod again, and this time let's try to get the pods. Yeah, now it's running, and let's try to describe the pod, radius pod, and it has successfully created. It's assigned to a node as well. We'll also describe we'll also do like a get PVC, and we can see that okay, now it's got the capacity manual, and it's got a volume as well now, you see here, which is good. And let's check the solution. Yeah, the validation is successful. Now that is how you solve troubleshooting issues with pods and persistent volumes. Now I really request everyone to please like the videos, share it, and also subscribe to my channel, and please support me. I will be uploading more videos. The link of the KillerCoda the play challenge, and also other related Kubernetes documentation links will be provided in my description. I'll also provide the playlist for each category. This is the troubleshooting category, so you can go and watch the playlist to see all related videos for that specific category. Please again request you to like my videos, share my videos, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.